What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to easily add subtitles to your videos in DaVinci Resolve. Subtitles can make your content more accessible and engaging for a wider audience, and luckily, DaVinci Resolve makes this process straightforward. First, make sure you have your video clip loaded onto the timeline in DaVinci Resolve. To start adding subtitles, you'll need to access the effects library. You can find this at the top left corner of the interface. In the effects library, head over to the titled section found under the toolbox. Once you are there, you'll notice a search box where you can type in sub to quickly find the subtitle option. DaVinci Resolve provides a dedicated subtitle feature, making it easy to add and customize subtitles directly on your video. After locating the subtitle option, drag and drop it onto your video clip on the timeline. You'll immediately see a subtitle track appear above your video clip. This track is where you'll be managing your subtitles. To adjust the timing and length of a subtitle, simply click on the subtitle track to select it, and then drag the edges to match the duration of the spoken words you're subtitling. To edit the subtitle text, make sure the subtitle clip is selected. Then look to the inspector panel on the right side of the screen. If the inspector isn't visible, click the inspector button to open it. Here, you can type in the exact words spoken in the clip. This is where you ensure your subtitles match the audio track word for word. For subsequent subtitles, you can easily duplicate the first subtitle you created by holding down the Option key on Mac or the Alt key on Windows and dragging the subtitle to create a copy. Place this copy where the next sentence begins and adjust the duration and text accordingly. Repeat this process for each sentence or significant phrase in your video. This manual method allows for precise control over the timing and content of your subtitles, ensuring they perfectly match your video's dialogue. Remember, adding subtitles may seem time-consuming, but it's a valuable addition to your videos, enhancing accessibility and viewer engagement. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.